Drop top here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 2015 Chevrolet Camaro Commemorative Edition. So this is going to have the 2SS package with the RS package. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Just a little over 7,600 is all on this vehicle. Came to us from North Dakota. Summit white in color with the silver stripe. 6.2 liter V8 underneath the hood. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. Now the Commemorative Edition is going to have that body color hood insert. It's also going to have the 20-inch wheels, that fancy silver and red stripe. You're going to notice a little different rear spoiler back there. Nice looking car. Check out all the still pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, car is free of nicks, dings, and scratches up and down the passenger side. Adrenaline red interior. That's an exclusive option, I believe, with the Commemorative package. Gauge cluster down the center console with the RS package. Of course, automatic transmission with that shifter on the console. There's a power top, black fabric top, and we're going to put that up at the end of this video. Let you check that out. Also nice condition, what you'd expect in a car with this kind of miles. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear parking assist, as you can see from the sensors in the bumper, dual exhaust. Car very nicely loaded, heads-up display, Chevy MyLink, Boston Acoustic Premium sound system, heated power front seats, both sides, driver's information center, and much, much more. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. As you can see, driver's side also really free of much of any nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. See, also nice shape, no rips, tears, really hardly any wear at all. Again, what you'd expect with this kind of miles on a car. Of course, modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, remote trunk release right down here, the Commemorative Edition sill plate, and then take a look at these seats up front. Again, really not much wear at all, if any. Even take a look at that floor mat. Very nice condition. Let's get this started up. Exact miles, there it is, 7606. That may vary slightly just from being driven to the shop in detail. You can see no check engine lights, warning indicators, anything like that. Just that flashing light over there is for the seatbelt warning. Of course, the MyLink stereo, communication. Rest of the dash also in nice shape. Of course, heated seats both sides here. Your RS gauge cluster. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put the top up and see if I can get a shot of this. Latch it right here. If you can see that, there it is. It's a power top. Works as it should. Pop that hood while we're at it here too. All right, take a look at the top. Basically like brand new. No rips, tears, holes. Again, much wear at all. Glass rear window, rear defog, what you'd expect, again, with a car with this kind of miles on it. Nice sounding car, nothing over the top. No crazy extreme exhaust, anything like that. Nice rumble coming out of that 6.2 liter. All right, slip up to the front. I think I can get this one-handed. Get it all without a pause in here. See if I can pull it off. There it is. First of all, take a look at the hood liner. Does not appear this car has been driven in any sort of inclement weather. There's that V8 power. You can also see the VIN if you want to do any decoding on that. And you can also see the RPO code sticker that's in the trunk. That will all be in the still picture, so you can see exactly how this is loaded up and the options on it. Strut tower brace. Nice looking car, nice shape, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. Convertible, commemorative edition. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible. It's got a unique coloring scheme on it that's very nice. This has really good acceleration. Feels like new. It says it only has 7,600 miles on it. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry and we wash our cars, so we can do these videos for you. It's a really good running car. It is a convertible. I'm not getting wind noise, so that's very nice. All our gauges are functioning. Radio sounds excellent. She's nice and straight down the road. Not pulling at all. Not any shimmies or shakes. Corner's excellent. If there is any flickering in dash lights on the gauges, that's just our camera, that's not the car. The gauges look great. This is an automatic, it just makes it even easier to drive. You can put it in paddle shift mode, which is an awesome feature. Definitely one to check out on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com.